Okay, so the Managers Academy has been set up for small employers like you, and it's also been set up for managers who are new or accidental, because there's nothing worse than being left on your own to get on with it and not getting any training. So it includes, first of all, bite-sized training videos, workbooks and templates. And the Managers Academy currently stands at 92 bite-sized videos that can be watched at lunchtime, during breaks and during commutes. It really is easily accessible, easy watch and put down. There's also 27 downloadable workbooks to keep and refer back to. And these include exercises for you and your team to do, for you yourself as well. And again, you do them in your own time as you feel you have the time, but they really will help your business succeed and grow. And then there's 35 templates that you can use in the business for you and your team. And that value is £3,000. Now, the sections of the training are divided into three main ones, broken down into three main ones. And the first one is setting your direction and standards. And you really do need a baseline in a small employer. And it talks about your vision, your mission, your roles and responsibilities, etc. And then you get your team, getting your team working effectively. And so it's looking at that, about performance management. It's looking at setting goals and lots of other areas. And there's 29 videos in there, so that tells you something. And it talks about communication as well. And then it's about developing your team further. And that's got 27 videos in there currently. And these will be added to. But it's very much, I don't want to overload people at this stage. So it's very much bite-sized and work through it at your own pace. You could do it easily in 12 weeks, because it's probably about an hour and a half a week to get to where you need to be with all your skills. Okay, so that's value of £3,000. And then we've got monthly online surgery, a safe place where you can bring your management and team issues to. So if you're struggling with something and you want to offload and you want to get some advice, you pop into this monthly online surgery. It's a safe space, as I keep saying, and it's confidential in there. And you will feel supported. It's equivalent to a mentoring session with me, tapping into my over 30 years of experience in leading and managing in large and small businesses and organisations. And it's using knowledge gained from the Chartered Management Institute, having gained 2 level 7 diplomas. So I've talked about them earlier, so I'm not going to go into them again. I also use the Institute of Leadership and Management and other reliable resources to make sure that what I'm giving you is up to date and is correct and is quality for what you need. So it's a drop-in surgery to suit your needs. So you can come in and out. You don't have to come. It's there if you want it. You can drop in for 15 minutes. You could drop in for longer. And what you'll find as well in that monthly online surgery is that people will support and help each other throughout that. So it would be like a brainstorming session as well. And that is a value of £3,000. And then we have monthly online training. And that's based on the issues that I'm seeing coming up in the surgery, what I'm seeing coming up in the community. And so it's very much about real time, making sure you're getting what you need in the real time, and that you've got a space where you can come and you can ask questions and you can bounce off other people. And it's always recorded and added to the Managers Academy membership for you to tap into if you can't get there for any reason, so you don't miss out. And then, of course, it's building collaboration with the Manager Academy members, building relationships and support, which all helps. And the value is £1,200 for that. And then we've got the safe community space. So it's a safe space for all membership participants. What goes in there stays in there. It's safe, it's confidential. It's based in Heartbeat. So it's very much like a Facebook type of community, but it's offline. Nobody else can get into it. And you've got access to my leadership and management experience across the day. So if something sudden happens, you can pop in and you can put it in there, and I will come back and give you some advice and insights. And other members may well also brainstorm on that post that you've put in. It's a sense of not being alone with the support from members of the Managers Academy. And that's really important because it can feel a very lonely place being the lead in a small employers or a new manager or accidental. And the value for that is £500. So all in all of those 4 things give you a value of 7,700. But that's not just it. So the Manager Academy doors are now open, and all of this for £50 per month or £500 for the year. Doors for the membership close on the 7th of July. So please don't miss out. This could really help make the difference to how you manage and how you get the results you want. And at the end of it, it's about your bottom line, your profitability. And this membership really will help you get the best out of your team to make the money and grow your business.